How to know if your iPhone has been hacked. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be talking about if you can check if your iPhone has been hacked. So let's begin. First, what if your iPhone gets hacked? What are the symptoms? The symptoms are that your data is getting consumed a lot faster, so you can check your data uses by going to your settings, but we'll do that afterwards. So the other symptoms can be that a lot of pop-ups or ads start popping up on your daily uses. So when you're using your, you're browsing through the internet, you're using a Safari, you're using your, other apps, and a lot of uh, you know ads start popping up, warnings start popping up, unexpected Apple ID verification codes start popping up, you start getting messages about OTP codes. So those are the symptoms that your iPhone has been hacked. So you can prevent this by simply not going to shady websites, by not clicking on shady webs links, and simply by using only first party softwares, by not downloading third party softwares. Just download the ones that you find on app stores. So those are the basics of how to not get your iPhone hacked. So you can check your data uses by simply going on your cellular, or you can simply go to your Wi-Fi too. So you can check all of these. You can go to your settings, set up security configurations, and you can set up content restrictions and so much more. So you can do all of those. You can simply go to your general, you can scroll down, you can see this transfer reset iPhone. You can reset all of your settings. After you reset all of your settings, what you can do is, when you're visiting different sites, you can use your VPNs, and that will mask your IP address. By doing those, you can prevent your iPhone from getting hacked. So you can also just go to your screen time, go to your settings first, and go to your screen time. After you're there, you can see content and privacy restrictions. Make sure that you've turned this on. Make sure that you have not turned on location services and other settings for unwanted apps. And yeah, those are the things that can prevent your iPhone from getting hacked. And the things I mentioned will help you check if your iPhone has been hacked. And that is basically it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys.